Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, 3rd of July 2018, and this is just my daily video and what I have done on my trading this morning. That being the daily charts on both the Mod MACD method and the high probability method. Being Tuesday, first up, I'll just quick one. There is news out today that may affect Aussie pairs, the Australian pairs. At 11:30 my time, which is only about 5 hours from now, there's interest rate news out of Australia. Don't know why, when you look at the Forex factory, it comes up as a medium high impact. I know the statement comes up as a high impact, but for some reason the actual interest rate comes up as a medium impact. It's at 1.5%. They're expecting no change, but as usual, whatever the talking heads say after could change it a bit. And just remember, tomorrow, in the United States, it's Independence Day, July the 4th. So happy Independence Day to the American friends. So the markets may be a bit quiet tomorrow. Then on Friday, we've obviously got non-farm payrolls, the employment figures out of the US. So let's skip over to the charts. There was a little bit of action this morning, not too much. We'll go to the Mod MACD first. Canadian Japanese yen. I've taken a new buy on this pair. You can see everything's in buy mode. That couple of yesterday's daily candle was pretty small, but that's on Monday, so that's to be expected. It is a high risk trade because we're going up towards the 240 LMA. Look, it's not a great looking setup, but it meets the criteria, so trade's taken. New Zealand Canadian dollar. The New Zealand dollar itself has shown weakness across the board. Not really sure why. Their dairy news is out today, which is a big part of the New Zealand economy, but yesterday the New Zealand dollar showed a lot of weakness. But anyway, so this is the New Zealand CAD. I'm in a sell here, and this morning I've closed out half. Just a lot of profit on the table there. There's 217 pips, I think, when I closed out half, and just moved my stop down to this level above the 2 MAs. So just locking in a little bit of profit there. Skip across to the Aussie New Zealand, same sort of deal. I'm in a buy trade here. I've taken half off the table, and the reason for this, it's only about 138 pips. The reason for that, we're at this previous high, so it's just a bit of a sticking point. Previous high could be, the market could turn there, but so all I'm doing is locking a little bit of profit and now set my stop up higher, close, just below the MAs there. So that's good results so far on those two NZ pairs. Just skip over to the high probability daily. Probably not so good news on this one. Just looking at my notes on my book next to my laptop. Yeah, right, here we go. So first up, took a sell on this yesterday. This is a USD Singapore dollar. Took a sell and I was stopped out. You can see there that price actually doesn't touch my stop level, but the spread would have got me there, so it stopped out by a pip or so, I'd say. But it's bullish candle, and today's candle so far is bullish. So ideally I'd like to see it go up and through that stop just to confirm I wasn't stopped out to the pip. So now all I've done is drawn a trend line across the lows here. If that sell signal remains valid and the MACD rolls over, if it breaks that trend line, I'll look for another sell, new stop. So I'll possibly take a re-entry there, but stopped that there for a loss today, last night. And the only other trade is the pound CAD, Great British Pound, Canadian dollar. I'm in a sell here. I've closed half this morning. That's about 155 pips, which is really not that much in this pair. The reason being, I've got this bullish JAGfx RD, the little blue trend line there, and you can see the MACD platinum, the blue dotted part of it is getting close to the 0 level. It just looks a little bit ugly there, so all I'm doing is reducing my risk taking out half, moving my stop down on my remaining 0.1 down to just above the point of entry, so I can't lose anything. So if it does fall off the cliff, I'm still in the trade with a little bit of profit. So yeah, it's just a bit of a, just doesn't look that good. I think that's about it, guys. So just be aware of that Aussie interest rate news today, and it may be a bit quieter tomorrow before it picks up on Thursday and Friday again. And I did forget to do my weekly video last night, so sometime today I'll do that, and I'll go through all my pairs. In the meantime, make sure you join the, if you haven't done so already, everyone's more than welcome to join the JAGfx Facebook group, and there is a files folder there that has a lot of resources, including FAQs, my spreadsheets, and also these custom indicators like the JAGfx RD, etc. Other than that, have a good day, and I'll chat later. Cheers.